can't get out of vacation mode? Maybe you don't have to. Welcome to TVS Verde Vista at Padar, Chennai, a premium gated community where 2, 3, and 4 BHK homes bring resort-style living to your doorstep. Starting at just 74.40 lakhs, these spacious homes range from 952 to 1,951 square feet, designed for abundant sunlight and natural ventilation. Nestled close to Siruseri IT Park with easy access to schools, hospitals, malls, you get the perfect blend of work and leisure in one place. Here, you can imagine everything you need to relax, connect, and live life like a mini vacation every day. So why wait for your next getaway when you can live it every day? Book now to get your preferred flat at TVS Verde Vista with our attractive payment plans and secure your daily vacation destination. Contact us today, Investo Expert, making home buying easy.